Meteorologist Noel Ream with your Weather Authority forecast.
Welcome back. Did you know that the last time we hit triple digits across the Key City was September 14th of last year? So you can imagine that several months ago was the last time we hit those triple digits. Let's take a look at the text satellite and radar. All clear across the Lone Star State. Maybe a few showers around Houston coming in along the Gulf Coast where a lot of tropical moisture sits from subtropical storm Alberto, which we'll get to just in a second. Max Live radar showing clear skies starting to take place across the big country. A few clouds down just south of Ballinger. Otherwise, we'll continue to see clear skies for the rest of this evening and throughout the overnight hours. Taking a look at those temperatures across the Key City, 85 degrees. We are seeing that humidity level starting to come up from what it was earlier this morning and afternoon. Southeast winds at about 14 miles an hour. So it will feel a little bit muggy as those humidity levels rise throughout the rest of this evening. Temperatures across the board, though, mid-80s still for the most part, 87 degrees for Stanford, 86 degrees in Snyder, 89. Still in Ballinger, down to our south, about 82 degrees for Brownwood, so still sitting into those low to mid-80s at this hour. Wind still mainly out of the south-southeast, about 14 to 12 miles an hour there for Stanford, 15 mile an hour east winds out of the, there in Knox City, but we're going to continue to see about 10 to 15 mile an hour winds, mainly out of the southeast as we head into the later part of the evening. Summertime weather pattern for the upper levels. You can see that ridge starting to build across west central Texas. Therefore, we saw those triple digits earlier today, but noticing off to our northwest, those lighter colors, this will be an upper level low, which will sit across the Pacific Northwest, and that'll kind of put a dip in the jet stream, but it really won't impact that strong ridge sitting over our area. Therefore, we'll see very warm temperatures as we head into Monday as well, so it will continue moving off to the east and kind of dissipate away from our area, and it will re-strengthen yet again for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So the AC working overtime will definitely be for the next several days. 99 degrees expected on your Memorial Day, but 101 yet again on Tuesday, 104 degrees for both Wednesday and Thursday with lots of sunshine. Speaking of those triple-digit temperatures, a few heat safety tips. Remember, the most important thing to do is stay hydrated, loose and light-colored clothing, check on the pets and neighbors, and also take it easy and run the air condition as needed. Taking a look at the tropics, we do have subtropical storm Alberto moving in the north direction at about 13 miles an hour, though those wind speeds still sitting at 40 miles per hour, but lots of tropical moisture along the Gulf Coast, expected to bring about 4 to 6 inches of heavy downpours throughout Florida, expected to also get about 65 miles an hour as it impacts the Florida Peninsula. Now, for tonight, it's about 73 degrees, clear skies. It will be a rather muggy evening as those humidity levels increase. For tomorrow, it'll be a repeat of what we saw today. Lots of sunshine, but also very hot. Make sure to take advantage of those temperatures. Take a dip in the pool, or even if you have to, stay inside and use that AC. For tonight for Brownwood in the Heartland, a starry night. So for those stargazers out there, get out there and take a look at that. Light winds out of the southeast about 5 to 15 miles an hour. But for tomorrow, summertime heat's going to stay around with us, 12 degrees above average, pushing those triple digits yet again for our folks down in Brownwood. Here's what we're looking at for the next several days. 101 degrees expected for tomorrow, near the triple digits yet again for your Memorial Day, and then we'll hold on to maybe a slight chance for an isolated shower or storm. That'll be only Tuesday morning. As you can see, lots of sunshine expected, a relatively dry and very hot pattern for the next several days.
All right, those temperatures just keep going up and up and up.
Jason, want to jump